When it comes to working and learning in a remote hybrid environment, one challenge is capturing that spirit of productive collaboration. We thought about ways to recapture that energy when we developed Samsung's Interactive Display Flip, a digital interactive whiteboard you can write, draw, and edit on. It offers interactivity and collaboration while working from home or in the classroom and while learning on a mobile device or computer. See your coworker or teacher's presentation as if you were there in person. It's a new way of learning and working while staying safe. And now, on top of the 55, 65, and 85-inch models we've already introduced, we're adding a 75-inch model to improve the range of choices for educators and professionals. With its low latency rate and advanced touch recognition, writing on the Flip combines the ease of putting pen to paper with all the creative advantages of using a digital touchscreen display.